What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best credit cards for dining. So let's go. So first on our list is American Express Gold Card. The American Express Gold Card is a top choice for dining enthusiasts, offering an impressive 4 times membership rewards points on restaurants' purchases worldwide. Additionally, cardholders earn 4 times points at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 spent each year, making it an excellent option for both dining out and grocery shopping. With a $250 annual fee, the card provides significant value, especially for those who frequently dine out. New card holders can take advantage of a generous welcome offer, earning 60,000 membership reward points after spending $4,000 in the first 6 months. The card also includes perks like dining credits and select restaurants and access to exclusive events, making it a well-rounded option for food lovers seeking to maximize their rewards. Next is Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is a premium travel and dining credit card that offers 3 times points on dining at restaurants, making it a favorite among foodies. With a $550 annual fee, it provides a wealth of benefits, including a $300 annual travel credit that effectively reduces the cost of the card. New card holders can earn a substantial welcome offer of 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Beyond dining rewards, the card offers luxury travel perks such as Priority Pass Select Lounge access and comprehensive travel insurance. The points earned can be redeemed for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal at a 50% higher value, enhancing the card's overall appeal for those who enjoy both dining out and traveling. Next is we have Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is an excellent choice for those who want to earn rewards on dining without a hefty annual fee. Cardholders earn 3 times points in dining and 2 times points in travel, making it a versatile option for various spending categories. With a $95 annual fee, it offers a solid balance of rewards and affordability. New members can enjoy a welcome offer of 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which can be redeemed for $750 in travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards program. The card also includes valuable travel protections and the ability to transfer points to numerous airlines and hotel partners, making it an attractive option for both dining and travel enthusiasts looking to maximize their rewards. Next, we have City Premier Card. The City Premier Card stands out for its generous rewards structure, offering 3 times points in dining, supermarkets, gas stations, air travel, and hotels. With a $95 annual fee, it provides excellent value for those who frequently dine out and travel. New card holders can earn a welcome offer of 60,000 points, thank you points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which can be redeemed for a variety of rewards including travel and gift cards. The card also features a robust points transfer program, allowing users to transfer points to numerous airline partners for enhanced travel opportunities. Overall, the City Premier Card is a fantastic option for individuals looking to earn substantial rewards on everyday spending while enjoying the flexibility of redeeming points in various ways. And finally, we have Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards credit card is an excellent choice for those who prefer cashback over travel rewards. It offers 3% cashback on dining and entertainment, making it ideal for food lovers and social butterflies. With no annual fee, it provides a straightforward way to earn rewards without the burden of extra costs. New card holders can enjoy a welcome bonus of $200 after spending $500 in the first 3 months, which adds immediate value. The card also earns 1% cashback on all other purchases, ensuring that users can still earn rewards on their everyday spending. With no foreign transaction fees, the Saver One is also a great option for dining out while traveling, making it a versatile and rewarding choice for both casual diners and frequent restaurant goers. Choosing the right credit card for dining can significantly enhance your culinary adventures while maximizing your rewards. The 5 cards highlighted: American Express Gold Card, Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, City Premier Card, and Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card, each offer unique benefits tailored to different spending habits. Whether you prefer points for travel or cashback for everyday dining, these options provide excellent value. By selecting the card that best fits your lifestyle, you can enjoy delicious meals while reaping the rewards of your spending. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.